Hi, my name's Donna and welcome to Income Hut. Please be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to future videos. Today I'm going to show you how to create a blog and make money in 5 easy steps. Creating a blog can be very profitable and rewarding, but how exactly do you do it? I'm going to show you 5 steps to make the process easy. First of all, we're going to want to choose our niche and name our blog. We can get some ideas by going to Google Trends. Say you're interested in blogging, you would just type in blogging. And you'll see how popular the trend is. Another way to find our niche ideas is to go into sites like Clickbank. Now if we type in blogging here and sort by gravity, it will come up with all the blogging services or products available. As you can see, there are quite a lot here to choose from. Once we've come up with ideas, we'll narrow down our niche by going into Google and typing blogging. You can actually research the sites on this page for ideas also, but if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll get longer tail keywords like blogging for beginners, how to start a blog, or blogging for money. Now that we've narrowed down our niche, we want to pick a domain name, so we can do this by going to Business Name Generator. I'm going to type in blogging to see what it comes up with. It comes up with a list of ideas telling you what's free to register, and you can keep on searching or use more than one keyword to come up with more ideas. This is a great way to get a name for your blog. Now that we've narrowed down our niche and got a good idea about what we want to blog about, it's time to arrange some hosting. Now we want to arrange some hosting for our website. A popular site is SiteGround, and cloud hosting would be recommended for your new blog. There's various plans here for you to look at. Another company which offers virtual private servers is Bluehost, and they're also very good. Once you've arranged your hosting, you basically want a WordPress theme. Now you can buy one here on Theme Forest. They have a wide selection of templates ranging from all different prices, or you can set one up for free within WordPress when you install it on your server. There are many free templates that you can choose from that are very good. Now that we've got our website template chosen, we want to do some keyword research. We can do this with a paid tool called Ahrefs. If I type in blogging and do a search, it will come up with all the keywords and search suggestions for me to base my content around. Now if you're starting with a new site, I would recommend the maximum at 5. Now with these keywords, it will show you the volume, and it will also show you the keyword difficulty level. Anything below 5 for a new blog is recommended. So basically you would go through these different keywords and possibly choose one that you would be interested in writing about. If you're on a budget, you can use Ubersuggest. It is a free tool. It also has a paid membership as well, but it's very good. So I've typed in blogging, and I've arranged the SEO difficulty here to easy, and what it will show me is all the easy keywords that I can rank for about blogging. And it's pretty much the same as Ahrefs. What you would do is go down the list and decide what you want to write about. But there's so many options for you here, and so many opportunities with all of these easy keywords. Now that we've got some keywords to give us some ideas, we can also do this on Google itself by copying one of the keywords that we're interested in, pasting it into Google, and seeing what's on page 1 for this particular search. Now we get so many ideas here for this keyword, which is easy to rank for, and if we open one of these sites, it will give us some ideas on what we can write. I mean, obviously don't copy the content, but it will give you basically want to rewrite it, and it will give you ideas for what sort of content that you want to be writing on your blog. Now that you're publishing content on your blog, the first thing that you want to do is share it on social media. There are some great platforms like Pinterest, which is great for bloggers, or YouTube, which is also great for driving traffic to your website. When you start getting some traffic to your site, you want to monetize the content on it. A very popular method is by using Google AdSense. Another method is to use affiliate links in your pages and go through the products which you find interesting and that your readers will enjoy, and you can click the promote button and you'll get an affiliate link, and you can place these links in your articles and get paid a commission each time someone buys something. It's never been a better time to start a blog and start earning money right away. There's so many opportunities and so many keywords that you can rank for very easily. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching.